Yo guys, I got this Yukon back, and just check this out, how our guys paint this, how this above, it's all entire, you know, like all clean, buffed. Look, even this side, it's just shiny, you can see. And now I need assemble front end, headlights, bumper, hood. So front end, except this hood, done, you can see. And now I need assemble right side door. I got 2 head airbag, and just look how GM doing delivery. Just everything good, yeah, like safety. Finally finish this GMC Yukon, and let's check it out how this look like. This was damaged this side, it's perfect, you can see. Open none here inside, like good. Head airbags, I fix it, you know. And here we have some good options. Yeah, we need to start engine, and we have here button. Look, I push button, and you can close your secret safe, or how it's called. Chic.